In this video, we will learn how to use Sumxmy2 function. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. This function indicates this formula means x and y means minus with the square. Okay. So let's start how it's done. Select the first cell is equal to write the Sumxmy2 bracket. Select the first x comma y bracket close 36. So let's see by using this formula x minus y bracket close power 2 and just enter 36. Again in second I'm using the Sumx my2 tab. Select the first x then y, it's 1. Here, here I am using the same function x minus 4 bracket power 2 1. Again I am using here Sumx my2 tab. Select the first number, second number, bracket close, enter. Again the in bracket first x then minus y bracket close power 2 enter 9. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.